So let's talk about another continuous improvement process called Plan, Do, Check, Act, or the pDCA cycle. This was created by Walter Shewhart. It was called the Shewhart Cycle, and then it was eventually modified by Deming and called the Deming wheel. But Deming actually changed pDCA to pDCA, Plan, Do, Study, Analyze. But for the sake of this video, we're going to talk about Plan, Do, Check, Act, or pDCA. So again, this is continuous improvement. We're doing this repeatedly, right? We plan, we do, we check, we act. We plan, we do, we check, we act. Very similar to Six Sigma, just called different things, different steps, but it can actually work as well. So first, plan. So once you've identified an opportunity for improvement, before making any changes, you want to make sure everything is documented and standardized, right? You want to make sure you have the appropriate tools to identify the problem and then develop a plan to make the changes. So before you even identify the problem, you want to make sure that you're well equipped with everything that you need to identify that problem and then plan based on the problem that you have identified. Then you move to do. And this is where you begin to implement the plan that you just created and then document those changes. So you create the plan and then you move right into the action, right? You're doing everything that you said you were going to do in the plan. And then from there, you move to check. You created the plan, you implemented the plan. Now it's time to analyze the results to determine if what you said you would do would work, actually worked. You analyze the revised process to basically determine if the goals have been met. And then you move to the act phase. Now, if the goals have been achieved, then you standardize and you standardize and document those changes. And you let other people know that, hey, we tried plan, do, check, act. It worked. We're changing this process. Here it is. And if for some reason it does not, you do what? You go back to the plan phase. Remember, this is continuous improvement. So whether you solve the problem or improve the process or bottleneck or not, you're always looking for that next opportunity to improve. So plan, do, check, act is really simple, right? You plan. What is your opportunity for improvement? And then you plan around that opportunity. When you create that plan, you do. You take action, you implement that plan and get things done. After, you check. Did we get the results we thought we would get based on the plan and the action that we took? Okay, now we act. We did. Great. So let's document that and make it our new standard. If we didn't, well, darn it. Let's go back to the plan phase and try this all over again.